Okay, here's my Polaris Ranger 500 midsize, the Viper winch installed. Got my bumper back on. Show you how I hooked the electrical up. I removed the hood completely to get it out of my way. Brought my wires up from the winch, zip tied them, everything. The contactor bolts right to 4 pre-drilled holes that are already in the Ranger. Worked out real nice. Bundled my wires here. Inside in the floor pan, I removed this pan here to run my wires back. I brought my power wires right up through here, brought them straight to the battery. Real simple. I mounted my switch right to the dash, run the wires right down through this hole here. Brought it all in here, zip tied it up real nice. Made the hot lead up to this block that was already on here. Here's the rest of this. Worked out real good. Works perfect.